Hey, let me show you all controls that you can use on Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation, and it works the same for the left and the right one. First of all, let's start from media controls. So right here, there's hidden button. When you click on it once, you can play or you can pause. Take a look, it's paused right now. When you double tap quickly, you will turn next song. But if you are gonna if you are gonna tap three times, 1, 2, 3, you are gonna go back into the previous one. So take a look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are back. And also there's this physical button that allows you to change the volume level. You can volume up or volume down. And when you close all of this media playback, you can click and hold right here, and you will wake Siri or switch between the noise cancellation modes. And you can find these features right here when you go to the settings. So as you can see right here, when I'm gonna switch into this Siri, I have to actually do this on the right one. I'm gonna click and hold it, and now I'll wake Siri. But if I'm gonna stay with the noise control, then I can simply switch between the noise cancellation, transparency, and off. Also, you can answer a call when you press once right here. You can press once to mute or unmute your microphone during the phone call, and you can press twice to end call. And this is actually all gestures that you can use.